Here we have 3 different units, a Goodman, a Lennox L series, and an ICP unit. Goodman appears to be a heat pump, and the model number is GSC101203AB, and serial numbers 0804283019. Here's the Lennox L series. You can see the label right here, it says Lennox L series. The model number is LSA120C-2Y. Serial number is 5600E05469. Let's see here, is this the heat pump? Let's look down here, and it's not down here, so the compressor is, I think I see one. I'm going to get around over here, take a look, and I think I see a reversing valve down there. I'm not quite sure. This might be a, see if you can see anything down there, but this might be a straight cool. Well, from the looks of it, it appears to be a heat pump. So I think this is a heat pump unit. Right here's an ICP unit. It's got, appears to have just one compressor. And I don't see a reversing valve on this unit. Not sure if it's straight cool or heat pump. But either way, the model number is CAE120HA-. The serial number is G022730034. Not sure what year this is from, but it's an ICP, as the ICP logo's over here. But nothing else much other than 3 units might all be heat pumps. One of them I know one of them's a heat pump, a Goodman heat pump, a Lennox unit, and an ICP unit. Over and out.